Dear friends, welcome back to Data Analytics Talks. This video, I would like to one thing which is the data architecture. If at all you would like to become a data architect, this is going to give you an outline of what is data architecture, who is a data architect, what he is doing, and where he has to focus on. Let's begin. Okay, welcome back. Let's look into data architecture. I'm sure this is really going to help you if you are really aspiring to become a data architecture. Focus. So data architecture refers to the design and structure of organization's data asset. So you'll be responsible for the design and structure of organization's data assets. So that may include like data models. Now, what is data model? It's like a representation of data, right? It can be conceptual, logical, and physical. Then we have to design the data storage, like storage for databases, data warehouses, data lake, and file system. Then data integration. So data integration is very integral part of it. The ETL. We bring data from various sources and put into data warehouse. The ETL is very, very integral part of any organizations. Then APIs, the communication, right? The messaging and data virtualization. Then data governance. They are the policies and procedures and standards for data management. The data architecture refers to the data governance of organization. Then data security. So it's one of the most difficult tasks, how the access control, encryption, and data masking. And data quality is highest priority. Like it includes data validation, cleansing, and enrichment. And finally, the data lifecycle management. That creation, data retention, archival, and deletion are all part of the data lifecycle management. So in short, the data architecture refers to data models, data storage, data integration, data governance, data security, data quality, and data lifecycle management. Another question is a well-designed data architecture, the benefits of a well-designed data architecture. So it supports business objectives, ensures data consistency and quality, facilitates data sharing and integration, provides scalability and flexibility, enables data-driven decision-making, then ensures compliance with regulation, and optimizes data storage and processing. So these are some of the benefits of a well-designed data architecture. Next is the component of data architecture. Number 1, data sources. Number 2, data ingestion. Number 3, data storage. Number 4, data processing. Number 5, data presentation. Number 6, data governance. Number 7, data security. So data sources, data ingestion, data storage, data processing, data presentation, data governance, data security are the 7 components of data architecture. So another important part of data architecture is various styles. I think when we are discussing about the data mesh, we spoke about monolithic and microservice based. There are some more styles here. So first one is monolithic. So monolithic data architecture is a unified model where all data components and functionalities are interconnected, interdependent, existing within the single platform or framework. So I mentioned like monolithic is a single system. Everything is centralized. So any issues will impact the whole system. That's a monolithic way. Then second is microservice based, which is more of decoupled system. A microservice-based data architecture is a decentralized approach where data-related functionalities are divided into small, independent services that communicates over a network, allowing for scalability and flexibility. And the third style of data architecture is event-driven. Event-driven data architecture is a design paradigm where data flows and processing are triggered by events. And when data comes, do this. When the activity takes place, a new event is triggered. So enabling real-time data ingestion, integration, and reactive and decoupled system. So that is event-driven. Then we have something called data-centric. A data-centric architecture is a design strategy that places data at the core of the system design, emphasizing the centralization and optimization of data accessibility, interoperability, reusability across applications and processes. And finally, we have a hybrid data architecture style. What is a hybrid? A hybrid data architecture combines various architecture styles such as monolithic, microservice, and event-driven to leverage their strengths and create a flexible, scalable, and tailored solution for complex data ecosystem. And it's very important to understand some of the tools that data architecture, data modeling tools like Irwin, Power Designer, there are some of them. Then data integration tools, we have SSIS, Informatica, Talent. Data governance tool, we have Collibra, Alation. Then data quality tools, again we have something on Informatica, data quality, and so on. Then we have different data platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, Oracle Cloud, and so on. It's also good to know some of the best practices of data architecture. So it's always align yourself with your business objective. The architecture should always align with the business objective. Keep it simple and flexible. Ensure data quality and governance. Implement data security measures. Continuously monitor and optimize. Finally, document and communicate architecture. Stay up to date with industry trends. So we have 7 best practices mentioned here. Align with business objectives, keep it simple and flexible, ensure data quality and governance, implement data security measures, continuously monitor and optimize, document and communicate architecture, stay up to date with industry. So thank you. So please send your questions to learnwithbiju@gmail.com. Thank you.